everyone! I'm going to explain how I did my ATM program in Java. First, I started by importing the scanner class using import java.util.scanner. This allows the program to accept input from the user. Then, I created my main class named @program, and inside the main method, I declared a scanner object called input to read user input. I also set an initial balance with the value of 10 million pesos and declared an integer variable choice to store the user's menu selection. Next, I used a do-while loop to repeatedly show the ATM menu until the user chooses to exit. Inside the loop, the program displays the menu options: 1 for deposit, 2 for withdraw, 3 for check balance, and 4 for exit. After that, I used a switch statement to handle each menu choice. Case 1, deposit. When the user selects deposit, the program asks for an amount to deposit. I used an if statement to check if the amount is greater than 0. If it is, the deposit is added to the balance, and the program shows the deposited amount. If not, it shows an invalid deposit amount message. 2. Withdraw. For withdrawal, the program asks the user to enter an amount. Then, I used conditions to check. If the amount is greater than the balance, it shows your balance is not enough. If the amount is less than or equal to 0, it shows invalid withdrawal amount. Otherwise, the withdrawal amount is subtracted from the balance and displayed.
Case 3. Check balance. This option simply displays the current balance of the user. Case 4. Exit. If the user selects 4, the program displays A. Thank you for using ATM message and ends the loop. Default case handles any invalid menu option. By showing invalid option, please try again. Finally, after the loop ends, I close the scanner using input.close to prevent any input issues.
result.